When you remember the love story of your life, all your body reacts with emotions. Now, you can capture those emotions and turn them into a unique journey. Just download the app, find a calm and quiet place. Cover your cell phone camera with your index finger, relax, and tell your love story. We will capture the emotions on your voice, and sensing your finger, we will measure the emotions from your heartbeat. A unique design will emerge. And with 3D printing and skill, we will craft a unique jewelry made of solid gold. The perfect gift for yourself or for the person you love.